Imagine sitting at your kitchen table, bills stacked like a tiny, stressful tower. Jesse Mecham's voice cuts through the chaos. You need a budget, not just a spreadsheet, but a blueprint for your freedom. How do you move from drowning in debt to owning a house, traveling the world, or simply eating out without guilt? It starts with one radical idea that's about to flip your money mindset upside down. The first rule shakes up your old habits. Picture your dollars as employees clocking in, each assigned a clear task that fights financial chaos and waste. Jesse Mecham recounts sitting with his wife in their Salt Lake City home, staring at their messy finances. They started assigning every dollar a job: bills, groceries, savings, everything. Suddenly, dollars stopped vanishing into thin air. That simple step changed their financial direction overnight. Think of budgeting like giving your dollars a paycheck. Everyone gets a roll, no employee slacks off or wanders. This clarity means no more wandering money, no surprise overdrafts. The metaphor makes money tangible and disciplined, like clocking hours, only yours is dollars working toward your goals. The payoff? Freedom. When every dollar has a purpose, you stop guessing where your money went. Income becomes a powerful tool, not a source of stress. Instead of feeling trapped, many discover breathing room, panic fades, and options open wide. Budgeting isn't restriction, it's liberation wrapped in numbers. You want control? Then meet budgeting's secret weapon, expense tracking. Not pretty or fun, but the key to unmasking where your money's really going. Jesse recalls a night when he sat up late sifting through crumpled receipts and bank statements, uncovering sneaky expenses like forgotten subscriptions and daily coffee runs. That obsession with tracking wasn't just busy work, it was the flashlight shining into his financial dark spots. Imagine you're spending like clues in a mystery novel. Without tracking, you only guess the culprit draining your wallet. With it, you build a case, every latte, every ATM fee revealed. Expense tracking transforms vague worry into concrete understanding, like a detective solving the crime of disappeared cash. That truth-telling power is transformative. When you see exactly where money leaks, debt becomes a manageable villain, not a looming monster. Gradually, debt balances shrink as your spending aligns with your goals. Tracking turns fear into actionable insight, the first step to winning your money battles. Budgets aren't just about survival, they're blueprints to build your dream life. Planning future dollars means turning wishes into tackle-ready goals. In one of Jesse's early coaching moments, a couple bogged down by paycheck-to-paycheck living started budgeting with a focus, owning their first home. Suddenly, saving wasn't a vague goal, it was scheduled, deliberate, and powerful. Each month's budget mapped their progress closer to those keys in hand. Think of your budget like a GPS system for your money's journey. Without a destination, dollars wander aimlessly. Set your goals like coordinates: retirement, travel, dining out guilt-free, and your budget routes every dollar purposefully, avoiding detours like impulse buys or debt traps. Here's the kicker: every small win counts. Skipping a lunch out or trimming subscriptions isn't sacrifice, it's building blocks for freedom. Incremental wins snowball into major life changes, turning budgeting from a bore into a thrilling achievement machine, moving you closer to your dream life every day. Back at your kitchen table, the pile of bills looks less threatening. You've given your money jobs, uncovered every hidden expense, and charted tomorrow's dreams with precision. Budgeting isn't a dull chore, but your personal blueprint to freedom. Try this tonight. Assign every dollar a role, even if it's just your next paycheck. Watch how your money starts working for you, not against you. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.